Hi, I'm Yoenosh, and welcome to my channel, where I do a variety of topics. So we're doing a keyboard cleaning video. I've never done it before, so this is the keyboard. This was given to me by a friend. This is a DAS keyboard. Let's start with the outside. So I do have compressed air. Are you supposed to shake these, by the way? Never shake or tilt. Good thing I read. Oh, and I do this type of thing as a demonstration that even if you've never done something before, it doesn't mean you can't start and become good at it. Let's spray. Really, if you're doing this cleaning, I would take it outside. A good thing about the compressed air, like all the parts that came out, that's stuff I didn't have to work hard for. I just had to spray some spicy air. That's a meme. I will be pulling these keycaps off. I've never pulled keycaps off. I assume it's not supposed to be difficult. Oh, and to be cleaning, I'll be using a jar of isopropyl. This was $20. The jar was $20 and I bought it from iFixit. But I'm not completely simping for iFixit, but it's pretty cool because it's a pump and like it comes up. I just think it's neat. Satisfying sound though, I will say that. I will look forward to using this keyboard. I will be taking a picture of this, so once I pull off all the keycaps, I won't lose track of where all the buttons go. Let's get out the tools. So I purchased this kit on Amazon. I will put any links up of what I buy in the description. And this is the Keycap keyboard lube kit. Mostly I was looking at a tool that would take off the keycaps, and these are the tools that I found. We got some brushes, and this is a little grabby grab. That's the scientific name. And then this is the keyboard puller. Let's start with the escape key. We're just gonna do a little fast forward action here. Zoop zoop. I will be going through these keys now and just manually cleaning the outsides with a paper towel and isopropyl alcohol. And this is just to ensure I do a good job. So that was 104 keys. I don't want to ever do that again. I'll be taking this outside because I learned from my mistakes. Oh, I went outside, I did a little dusting, but some of this stuff is caked on, so I will have to use a brush. Yeah, this brush should do. I mean, these bristles aren't very stiff, but I also have this brush that I bought separately from iFixit. And then this is very stiff to the point where I think it may scratch the plastic. I'm gonna be using this little bowl to dip the isopropyl in, my 99%. Before I start with this, I'll be putting all of these keys inside of this bowl and just like giving them a nice little wash. Let's start with the isopropyl, just a little bit. I recommend 99% isopropyl alcohol because it's not electrically conductive. Distilled water is also not electrically conductive. I am going to be leaving them overnight once I get to the cleaning. This is going to take forever. 99% alcohol you can't really find in stores. I had to buy it from Amazon. I will always stand by isopropyl alcohol. If it's like painted numbers, there's a chance that the isopropyl alcohol could take those numbers off. So just be aware of that. Let's do the montage of cleaning. And my closet's open. It's a lot cleaner now, but I do want to see if any pieces got in between. So I'm gonna open this up now. I got my Protect Toolkit here. Okay, I can work with this. I don't like that. I'm definitely vacuuming. I know I'm doing this wrong because I don't think I'm supposed to angle it. I'm gonna put this part back on. So I did notice there are two parts. Some of the paint did start to chip off, but under it does look a bit rust colored. I'm not gonna do anything about that, but like I'm pretty happy with how this turned out so far. I wanna cover this so I don't get dust inside. If you're gonna be spraying this inside, beware, there is a bitterant in this. So open a window. I never open a window and I really should. I need a vacuum. I'm just gonna be using warm tap water. This was just from the sink. This was just to store the liquid. We'll just pour that in. I'm gonna add some dish soap. A little goes a long way. I'm just gonna be hand mixing this. Alright, so I have a second bowl here, just regular tap water. But you see, this is actually what came out. Just gonna grab a handful, give a little shake. And I think they would best dry, I guess this way. If it's like this, the water might be trapped underneath it. All right, so we got a whole spread. I'm gonna let these dry overnight, and then tomorrow will be reassembly.
Somebody suck me!
Hey, okay, so that's the next day. I changed my mind. Actually, I'm gonna open up the keyboard all the way. I think I'm too much of a completionist. So let's get on that, and I'll be right back. All right, so I got it open. It doesn't seem like I can easily disconnect this cord because it looks like it's hot glued. I'm just gonna wipe this away. The keycaps are dry. All right, let's get these keycaps back on. This is gonna be a puzzle. Video kind of camera died. Hold on. There we have it. This is the completely put together keyboard. Before I go, I will do a keyboard test to make sure everything still functions. It works, and the RGB all works. That's pretty cool. I didn't mess anything up. I usually don't. That took a long time. I'm happy with it. It's a nice looking keyboard. And that's how to spend way too much time cleaning a keyboard and then being kind of satisfied with the results. Every video I'm like happy, like, oh, it's over. Thank you for watching. That's how to clean a keyboard. You know what? I'm just happy I didn't lose any keys. So with that, I'm gonna bid you adieu. Ciao.